want to understand what is going on in Nigeria because nobody is saying anything. Nobody is saying anything. We are all enjoying it, right? What a hell is this? Freezer I bought 5 years ago at the rate of 98,000 is what I bought today, 579. Yes, yes, 579,000. I mean, guys, I'm just shocked with the way the prices of things in Nigeria is going. How will next 2 years or next year be? Eh? Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Morimo Lifestyle and I'm a TTC mom based here in Enugu. So on this very day, we decided to change the freezer in our kitchen. Yes, it just developed issue and the price they are telling us for repair, my husband became angry and suggests he's getting a new one that he's not even sure of the repair. So guys, follow me, let me go and search for freezer before getting them. Okay? Oh yeah, let's go together. Thank you.